Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenji, and for today, I will teach you how to make your very own ancient ruins diorama using cheap products you can usually find at home or buy in a hardware store. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more outside-the-box toy reviews and art tutorials made for toy hobbyists and toy collectors like me. You may also follow me on my social media accounts. I've been getting a lot of requests and inquiries asking where I get my dioramas. Most of the dioramas I use for my toy photography, I only create. I'm making this video to help you guys understand my process, and I hope this can help you in creating your very own dioramas that you can use in your setups and your photography. Alright, let's start creating. In this tutorial, I will show you a quick and easy process to help you make a realistic diorama for your toy figures. Let's look at the materials you will need. First, you need styrofoams, cutter or EXACTO knife, acrylic paints. I usually use brown, white, and green for the moss, pen markers, brush, ruler, glue gun, multi-purpose glue, and leaf foliage. Step 1. Prepare your styrofoam boards to 2 pieces 12 by 6 inches size and 1 piece 12 by 8 size. This will serve as the base and walls for your diorama. Keep the extra styrofoams because you will use it later to create the random rocks. Step 2. For the base, using your ruler, a Sharpie or marker, create the lining for your concrete slabs. You can measure 1 inch per tile. Step 3. Start carving the lines using a cutter or EXACTO knife. Don't worry if the lines are not perfect. The more patchy it looks, the better the diorama will turn out. And then, make the lines prominent by using a ruler or pencil. Step 4. Now, time to make our walls. Carve the shape of the walls that you want. It can be uneven to give that ruins vibe we are going for. To proper visualize your diorama, place the walls in the corner of your base. Draw the lines and crack to your wall. Carve the lines using cutter or EXACTO knife. Make sure to make it look rough. Add more cracks and lines if you need to. Add small pieces of styrofoam in certain parts to create the effects of debris. Step 5. Time to paint. Start with your base color. I usually use a Van Dyke brown mixed with white to achieve that light shade of brown. I usually add a yellowish brown tone to give that burnout look and to give the diorama more dimension. Then let it dry. It will look like this when it's dry. Step 6. It's now ready for dry brushing. Use a lighter color for dry brushing. In this case, we will use white. Wipe excess paint using tissue and gently apply it on your painted wall or base. Repeat the process until you achieve the look that you want. When it dries, use white paint to highlight corners of the rock using the dry paint technique. Step 7. To hold your walls and base together, stick them using a glue gun. Add moss by using green paint and applying it on certain areas of the rocks. Step 9. You can also add green leaves and vines by using leaf foliage and gluing it on random holes of your wall and floor. You can also put plastic grass to make your setup look awesome. You can get this in bookstores and hardware stores. And you're done! You can now place your figure and take awesome photos in your new diorama setup. That's it guys, and then you have your diorama. It's so easy and quick to do. The key to making awesome dioramas is be resourceful, be creative, and make sure you have fun. I hope you learned a lot, and I hope this video can help you in making your own ancient ruins diorama, which you can use for your toy displays, as backgrounds for your toy photography. If you like this video and you would love to see more tutorials from me, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I hope to see you guys again. Always remember to be kind, be awesome, Jamata, bye-bye.